Welcome! In today's episode I mount the servos on the main wing. I place pieces of hardwood in the corners of the hatch. You can see that the nav light wires are completely in my way, so next time I better run them some other way. I use epoxy mixed with glass bubbles to make the fillets. Then I apply fiberglass to bond everything together. The aileron pocket came out barely deep enough to hide the servo. I do the same to the flap pocket. This one is much deeper and it's much easier to fit everything inside. Using this glue session, I fiberglassed the round shape where the aileron and flap fit into. Now I use carbon fiber offcuts to make the panels for the servo pockets. 3 layers seems to be enough. Next day it's ready to make the parts. The fact that the resin is not fully cured yet makes it easier to cut it with the snips. I make cardboard templates. Then I transfer the shape to the carbon fiber panel and cut it out. Next, I place the servo inside and mark the position. I cut a slit for the servo arm. I tack the servo in with instant glue. I fix the shape of the slit with a round file. Then I drill for the screw holes. Hardwood block will hold the servo in place. For now I used instant glue to hold the block, but later on I will use JB Weld to glue it better. That's all for today and more coming soon.